Hi friends, now we start paper number 7, unit first, chapter number first, that is thermodynamic potentials. In first year, we see about thermodynamics. That is, there are different processes that are nothing but isothermal process, isobaric process, isochoric process, isentropic process. Isothermal process in which temperature T is constant or dT equal to 0. Isobaric process in which pressure P is constant or dP equal to 0. Isochoric, phi is constant, volume phi is constant or dV equal to 0. And isentropic, entropy S is constant or ds equal to 0. That is, in thermodynamics there are number of processes such as isothermal process in which dT equal to 0 or T is constant, isobaric process in which dP is 0 or pressure P is constant, isochoric process dV is 0, that is volume V is constant, and isentropic process ds equal to 0, that is S equal to constant. This T, P, V, S are the thermodynamic variables. In thermodynamics, these are known as thermodynamic variables. Thus, in thermodynamics, the functions of these four variables, functions or potentials of these four variables, T, P, V, and S, together with first and second law of thermodynamics, describe the complete state of thermodynamic system, are called as thermodynamic potentials or thermodynamic functions. In thermodynamics, the functions of these four variables, temperature, pressure, volume, and entropy, together with first and second law of thermodynamics, describe the complete state of thermodynamic system, are called as thermodynamic potentials or thermodynamic functions. These thermodynamical potentials or functions, there are four thermodynamic potentials or functions. First we see about internal energy. First function is nothing but internal energy. Second is nothing but enthalpy H. Third is nothing but Helmholtz free energy function F. And fourth is nothing but Gibbs function Z. First we see internal energy function U. According to first law of thermodynamics, when some amount of energy dQ is supplied to the system or body, then part of it is used to increase its internal energy and remaining part of it is used to do external work. According to first law of thermodynamics, if energy dQ is supplied to the system or body, then part of it is used to increase internal energy and remaining part of it is used to do external work. Therefore, first law is given by dQ, internal energy dU plus external work done dW. dQ equal to du plus dW is nothing but first law of thermodynamics. But we know that the external work dW is given by PdV. dW is nothing but PdV. Therefore, dQ equal to du plus PdV. Then, by using definition of entropy, dQ is nothing but TdS. dQ, amount of heat dQ is nothing but TdS. Okay? That is dQ by T is nothing but ds. किंवा yes, आपण बघितले Q by T is nothing but yes. First year मध्ये बघितलेला आहे. Therefore, dQ by T is equal to ds. Therefore, dQ equal to TdS. Then, by using this value of dQ in this equation, we get what? TdS equal to du plus PdV. TdS equal to du plus PdV. Therefore, this du equal to TdS minus PdV. du equal to TdS minus PdV, which is suppose equation first. Thus, equation first gives the differential form of internal energy function in which entropy S and volume V are independent variables. कसं करायचं? By using first law of thermodynamics, dQ equal to du plus dW. dW external work ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? PdV आहे. dW ची व्हॅल्यू PdV. Therefore, dQ equal to du plus PdV. Then, by using definition of entropy, dQ ची व्हॅल्यू TdS. TdS या ठिकाणी पुट आउट करायचं, आपल्याला इक्वेशन काय मिळतंय? TdS equal to du plus PdV. Therefore, du equal to TdS minus PdV. This du is nothing but differential form of internal energy in which entropy S and volume V are independent variables. From this, property of this function is nothing but S is nothing but ds 0 कधी असतो ती प्रोसेस isentropic process. Entropy S is constant. Isentropic process. dV equal to 0 कधी असतो ती process isochoric process. That is, from this equation we can say that for isentropic isochoric process किंवा in isentropic isochoric process हा isentropic ds 0 झाला ही टर्म 0, isochoric dV 0 झाला ही टर्म 0. Therefore, in isentropic isochoric process, du काय झाला 0, that is internal energy u remains constant. In isentropic isochoric process, du equal to 0, that is internal energy u remains constant, is the property of first function, that is internal energy function. Then we see second function, that is enthalpy. Enthalpy H, this is denoted by symbol capital H. Enthalpy H can be defined as H equal to U plus PV. हे इक्वेशन एवढं लक्षात ठेवायचं. Enthalpy H can be defined as H equal to U plus PV. U is nothing but internal energy, P is pressure, P is volume. Then differentiating this equation, we get what? H a differentiation dH equal to du plus xy. दोन आहे. पहिला x differentiation, y constant, y differentiation, x constant. Therefore, p constant ठेवला, p चं differentiation dv plus v constant, p चं dp. Therefore, dH equal to du plus pdv plus pdp. But what the equation? TdS equal to du plus pdv. du plus pdv is nothing but TdS. TdS equal to du plus PdV. या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू TdS पुट आउट करायची. Therefore, dH equal to काय आला? TdS plus PdP. हा TdS झाला. dH equal to TdS plus remaining term PdP. This is suppose equation second. dH equal to TdS plus PdP. Equation second gives differential form of enthalpy H, in which entropy S and pressure P are the independent variables. आता याच्यावर याची प्रॉपर्टी काय होईल? त्याची प्रॉपर्टी in isentropic isobaric process, in isentropic dH 0 झाला, isobaric dP 0 झाला म्हणजे P constant. In isentropic isobaric process, dH is 0, that is enthalpy H remains constant. In isentropic isobaric process, dH equal to 0, that is enthalpy H remains constant, is the property of enthalpy. In differential form काय? dS equal to TdS plus PdP. This is second function. Okay. Then we see third function. Third function, Helmholtz free energy function. Helmholtz free energy function, denoted by the symbol capital F. Helmholtz free energy function here can be defined as कसं? F equal to U minus TS. Equation लक्षात ठेवायचं. F equal to U minus TS. U internal energy, T temperature, S entropy. Then differentiate this equation. We get what? dF. F चा differentiation dF equal to U चा du minus दोन टर्म माहिती आहे. पहिल्याचं दुसरा कॉन्स्टंट प्लस दुसऱ्याचं पहिला टर्म कॉन्स्टंट. That is minus T कॉन्स्टंट ठेवला याचं ds प्लस बाहेर मायनस आहे म्हटल्यानंतर प्लस मायनस मायनस झाला. S कॉन्स्टंट ठेवला T चं dt. dF equal to tu minus tds minus sdt. ओके. TdS ची व्हॅल्यू पुट आउट करायची. काय? du plus pdv. Therefore, dF equal to du minus TdS ची व्हॅल्यू du plus pdv minus sdt. लक्षात आलं का? काही ठिकाणी TdS पुट आउट करायचं आहे म्हणजे du plus pdv, आणि काही ठिकाणी या ठिकाणी काय आहे? du plus pdv ची व्हॅल्यू TdS पुट आउट करायची आहे. ओके. इथं TdS ची व्हॅल्यू घालतोय आपण. पाठीमागे TdS ची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी TdS काय करतोय? पुट आउट करतोय. पाठीमागे TdS घातलेला होता. du minus TdS व्हॅल्यू du plus pdv minus sdt. हा du gets cancel. राहिलं काय बघा, डीएफ इक्वल टू मायनस पीडीव्ही, हा मायनस प्लस मायनस, मायनस पीडीव्ही मायनस एसडीटी. डीएफ डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ हेल्महोल्ट्ज फ्री एनर्जी फंक्शन, dF equal to minus PdV minus SdT. Okay, this equation third gives differential form of Helmholtz free energy function. F, yellow which volume V and temperature T are the independent variables. Okay, property काय होईल याची? याची property V म्हणजे isochloric process. In isothermal process, dF is zero, that is Helmholtz free energy F remains constant. In isothermal process, dF is zero, that is Helmholtz free energy function F remains constant. Then last function, that is Gibbs function, denoted by the symbol capital G. Okay, Gibbs function G can be defined as, Gibbs function G can be defined as, कसं होईल? G equal to U minus TS plus PV. G equal to U minus TS plus PV. U minus TS plus PV. Differentiate this. dz equal to du minus T constant याचा TDS. म्हणजे प्लस साइन असणार, मायनस प्लस मायनस होईल. परत काय, S constant T चं SDT प्लस P constant V चं PDV, V constant P चं VDP. काय ना, dg equal to du minus TDS minus SDT plus PDV plus VDP. आता इथं TDS ची व्हॅल्यू पुट आउट करायची. dg equal to du minus into bracket dd ची व्हॅल्यू du plus PDV minus SDT plus PDV plus VDP. आता बघा, हा du gets cancel, हा minus PDV plus minus minus झाला, minus PDV plus PDV gets cancel, remains only what, minus SDT plus VDP. dg equal to minus SDT plus VDP. किंवा हे इक्वेशन तुम्ही कसं लिहू शकता, dg equal to VDP minus SDT, which is suppose equation 4. Equation 4 gives differential form of Gibbs function G, in which temperature T and pressure P are the independent variables. याची प्रॉपर्टी काय होईल? In isobaric process, dg is zero, that is Gibbs function G is constant. dt म्हणजे T constant, dt zero झाला म्हणजे isothermal, P constant, dp zero म्हणजे isobaric. In isobaric process, dg काय होईल? हे zero will total, dg is zero, that is Gibbs function G is constant, or G remains constant, is nothing but property of Gibbs function. For isothermal isobaric process, dg is zero, that is Gibbs function G remains constant. Okay, thus equation first, second, third and fourth gives differential forms of four thermodynamic potentials or functions that are nothing but internal energy U, enthalpy H, Helmholtz free energy function F, and Gibbs function G. Okay, या ठिकाणी थांबू आपण, दुसरं लेक्चर दुसऱ्या पिरियडला बघू. ओके, थँक्यू.